Hey, today we have a very historic event happening in a couple minutes. We have this land airboat that we're going to be testing. So underneath, we have a 30 amp ESC. We have an FR Sky receiver. I'm using a QX7 to control it. And then we have these swivel wheels from a office desk. And I just took a piece of wood and screwed them in. And I know what you're probably wondering, Lucas, does it have Mr. Meeseeks to hold the battery on there? And yes, it does. It has a Mr. Meeseeks head, 3D printed in Mr. Meeseeks color filament. And the battery will sit in there. And then I have a 920 kV, I don't know the size, brushless motor on the front. I think it's a 9-inch prop, an 8-inch prop. And the rudder's just a 9 gram servo, controlling the same thing I used on the 3D printed airboat. Let me do a donut. Well, I guess it's not all 3D printed. Partially 3D printed airboat. And yeah, we're gonna test it. Okay. Test number 1. Test number 2 with the foam board in the back. Yes. Evan, what do you think is going to happen? Oh no, it's not true. Okay. Can I avoid the car?
Oh my god.
Oh, the foam board's bending.
Oh no!
It's pretty fast.
But the foam board.
Can I go straight there?
There's literally a drift car. Yo. I'm getting up on the curb.
I hit some jumps. Actually.
Where?
Yeah, that's a good point. The curb.
Oh no.
I gotta hit it straight. Wait, what about the grass?
I don't think it's gonna work in the grass, Lucas. I'm gonna be honest. That totally worked.
Nope. Did it break? No, it moves to. Oh, the motor's coming out. The motor's coming out of the net. Oh, the pump.
Oh, how is that? Oh my god.
Well, that was version.
It's a good run.
The motor's coming out, the foam board's bending. But
I think the ESC came undone.
yeah, it's a. Oh, look at that ant climbing on it. But it's a good concept, you know. World changing.
Get real wheels though. You gotta get like better wheels.
Yeah, I could do RC wheels. Drift tires. Yeah, but yes.